Looking for driving lessons but can't find a driving instructor? Check out our online driving course. 18 videos, 4 hours of footage, 90 plus multiple choice questions. All the main topics covered with a full briefing, followed by a drive with live commentary. Multiple camera angles inside the car, outside the car. Doing the online course and doing the questions at home on a desktop, laptop, tablet or phone will massively help you pass the driving test. The online driving course is not designed to replace your driving instructor. Instead, it is there to supplement the knowledge you gain on a good driving lesson with a fully qualified driving instructor. It will also help you if you are practicing at home. The course costs $29.99 and you will get access for 6 months. After each video, there are multiple choice questions to test your knowledge on what you have learnt. Most of the videos feature dashcam footage captured whilst we have been teaching. These examples are greatly important as they reinforce what you have already seen on the videos and learnt from the multiple choice questions. The online course will help you prepare for life on the UK's increasingly dangerous roads.